Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a first impressions on some new Makeup Revolution makeup. I am so excited. I've got two makeup palettes. I've got the Neutrals 3 and the Division palette. Now, I'm not sure which one I want to use. Part of me wants to use this one. This one is so pretty. But I'm going to go ahead and go with this one, the more rosy toned one. Okay, finally got it open. So here is the palette here, and here are the shadows. So really nice, really simple palette. I'm really liking the contrasting colors. You've got a really nice dark color here to do some smoky looks. You've got a matte brown here to throw in the crease. You could do like just a super simple smoky eye with just those two. You don't have like a creamy kind of all over shade, which is lacking, but you could use this if you're like my skin tone. So I like that. I'm loving this. Like this whole little area over here is like a quad, and then here it's like a quad. I love that. So I'm really feeling how they have the whole palette set up. I love how you got a bunch of mattes, and you've got 4 shimmers. You've got some satins here. I see 2 satins. I'm loving how this palette is looking, so I'm ready to go ahead and throw some of these shadows on my eyes. I want to go ahead and I want to just kind of swatch some real quickly, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this gold one up here. Upon first touch, they feel really smooth. Well, that is some super duper pigment. But we don't have like something to set the eyes per se. So what I'm gonna do actually is just set my eyes with a little bit of translucent powder. And I'm just gonna set the eye a little bit. All right, so the eyes are set. Now we're ready to dive in here. I'm obsessed already with the color scheme and already with that one swatch. Let me swatch one of the mattes. Girl, okay, hold up, wait a second. Makeup Revolution, Makeup Revolution, girl, what? I found out Makeup Revolution that came and snatched somebody's wig up. Y'all, okay, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and then I'm just going to throw that into my crease area. And I got a Morphe E23 for the crease. So let's go ahead and throw this color in and see how it looks. I really want to put some tape down. Okay, so I've got some tape on. Now I'm gonna go into the crease with that shade. Y'all. Okay, I gotta get through this video. So, y'all, that shade is perfect. It's perfect. It's what I need in my life. I'm so excited. Y'all. This is a one look, like one color look for me. Like I get all of my life from like those one shade looks. I'm going to this shade, the one I swatched earlier. You know what, nope, I'm going here. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Let's swatch it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna go into here. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm loving this. Like, I'm loving these shadows. They're so pigmented, but the perfect amount of pigment, but the perfect amount of like everything. I'm loving this. And we're going to go into, let's go into the brown. We're gonna mix this. We're gonna mix these two actually. Bluish gray, like a dark blue gray. So let's darken up the outer Wow, okay. So you really have to be careful with that shade. I definitely see where it can get all over the place. But still I'm all down, y'all, but still a beautiful shade nonetheless. Okay, I really like these shadows, you guys. Like, I really, really, really like them. I don't know which color I want to put on my lids, but I'm feeling this shade. Nope, pink. Let's go for the pink. Okay, so we're gonna go to this shade here. And we're going to pop that on the lid. Go in with the finger. There we go. Are you guys like here with me? Like, are y'all here with me? Do y'all see these eyeshadows? Like, do y'all see these shadows? Now, I'm completely, like, it's normal to me to have to build shadows because my eyes are hooded. So this is normal to me. Like, it doesn't frustrate me to have to build up my shadows because I like my shadows to look a certain way on my eyes because they are hooded. But y'all, these shadows are popping. Like, I'm looking in the mirror like, okay, so what we're gonna do is, just put a little bit of more smoke on the outer corner. There, I've used 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've used 5 shadows in this already, and I've loved every single thing that I have put my hand or my brush in. So I'm clearly obsessed. But I am going to go do the rest of my face, and then I'm going to come back. We're going to do the lower lash line, and then we are going to wrap it up, and I'm going to tell you guys. All right, guys, so I am back with the rest of my makeup on, and I combed my hair down. Okay, so and just put some mascara on the bottom lashes. I think I'm honestly just going to, because I really like the way that the makeup looks without nothing on the bottom lash line. So I'm kind of scared to mess it up. I'm gonna go in here and I'm just gonna do a little bit on the outer corner. Just a little bit. Pretty much that is all I'm gonna do. So honestly, you guys, I want to try out one more thing. I was not going to try this out in this video. I was going to do a separate video on it, but I have to do it. This is the Makeup Revolution, the lip topper in Luxurious. Here we go. Okay. Okay, here we go. All right. Doesn't have a smell. Oh, you know what? It does. It smells like my childhood. Get a good dip and see if any magic happens. Yes, magic has happened. Oh. What? Y'all. Okay, so this is a lot for me. Cause y'all know I like my nudie, I like my super glossies, but this is really heavy, so that's something you want to keep in mind. The more and more you build, the more and more it will build. So for me, 1 to 1.5 layers is enough. So I just blotted off just a little bit, but y'all, I love this. It is so freaking pretty. It was so affordable. It takes any look from lame to glam, okay? Like, these eyeshadows are popping. I'm absolutely loving everything. Please expect a full review on this coming very soon. This is just the first impressions, but I am going to wear these all day. I'm going to, well, not now, but I'm gonna wear them all day, and I'm going to come back and I'm gonna do swatches of all the shades. I'm gonna let you know my complete thoughts, but this was just a first impressions. But you guys, already I am absolutely in love with this palette. Like, I can definitely see this being right here next to me every day that I do my makeup, and I'm like, what do I want to use? Trying not to use this every day, so I can only imagine, and I cannot wait to try this one out, and then I'm going to be able to combine them. Oh, I'm so excited. Mine from Ulta, so definitely pick it up from Ulta. I think, yeah, Ulta, yeah, because CVS and Walgreens doesn't sell Makeup Revolution, so definitely check out Ulta and definitely give these a try. Definitely make sure that you guys are subscribed and that you stay here with me so you won't miss any new videos. Become a part of the Indie fam. Hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification button. You can be notified. You can be notified when I post a new video. I am trying to get somewhat of a schedule going on here. I really want to post every single day. Like, that is like goals on top of goals on top of goals, you know what I'm saying? But 2019, we are definitely posting multiple times a week, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you won't miss out. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you guys so much. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. It is here, it is near. I'm manifesting it. I'm putting it out into the universe. We're gonna have 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. I am so excited. So definitely make sure you guys are clicking the subscribe button, thumbsing up the video, thumbsing down. You know we don't care over here. Leaving comments down below. Thank you so much for all the support that I have gotten thus far. Follow me on Instagram at That's Indie. Follow me on Twitter at That's Indie. And follow me on Snapchat at It's ID25. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you, and have a wonderful day, night, day. Have a good one. Bye.